Okay. Good morning, students. So, in last class we discussed some important some problems in current electricity. Now today discuss the another two or three problems today. Okay. So, a storage battery. A storage battery. A storage battery of a car has an EMF electromotive force of 10 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts. If the internal resistance, if the internal resistance of the battery is 0.4 ohms. What is the maximum current? What is maximum current that can be drawn from the battery? Okay. So given the information, so the storage battery of a car has EMF is 12 volts. EMF given EMF. Okay. EMF is equal to 12 volts. And also if the internal resistance of the battery, so R is equal, okay, internal resistance, small r is equal to 0.4 ohms. So what is the maximum current can be drawn from the battery? Maximum current. So according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. So that you can write E by R. So voltage here given that EMF. Okay. So E by R. E is means 12 by 0.4. Okay. So point is taken 0. So 40, 4, 3 12. So that is the 30 amps. Okay. So the 30 amperes. So 30 amps current is drawn from the battery. So given the information, E is equal to 12 volts EMF, electromotive force 12 volts battery, and internal resistance 0.4 amps. So how much current will be drawn from the battery? So that is I is equal to E by R. So the 30 amps drawn from the battery. Okay, got it. So 3 resistors, one ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm are combined in a series, in series. What is the total resistance? What is the total resistance of the combination? And the second one, if the combination is connected, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF battery of EMF 12 volts and negligible internal resistance drop across each resistance potential drop obtain potential drop across each resistance. Okay, each resistance. So now given 3 resistors, so 1 ohm and 2 ohms and 3 ohms are combined in a series. What is the total resistance of the combination? So given resistors, okay, so across the connected 12 volts battery. So R1 is equal 1 ohm, R2 is equal 2 ohms, R3 is equal 3 ohms. So potential difference 12 volts. Okay. So what is the total resistance of the combination? If the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volts, negligible internal resistance, obtain potential drop across each resistance. Okay, each resistance. So given that information, so R1 is equal 1 ohm, R2 is equal 2 ohms, R3 is equal 3 ohms given. Okay, are connected in a series. So are connected in a series, that is the RS series. Series is equal R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 6 ohms. The total resistance in a series combination. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 6 ohms. Okay. So the battery of EMF 12 volts, the negligible internal resistance obtain potential drop across each resistance. Potential drop V is equal IR. R is already given in problem, but I is to find out. So I is equal V is equal IR. I is equal VR. V is equal IR. I is equal V by R. So V is 12 volts. Okay, so 12 volts RS, the total, that is means in circuit, okay, in circuit the current I is equal V by RS. So V is means the potential drop, so the potential, so that means the potential connected to a battery of EMF is equal 12 volts, okay, so that is the EMF is equal 12 volts. So V by RS or E by RS, that is the 12 by RS, RS means 6. So 6 into, that is called as the, so 2 ohms, 2 amps current is drawn. Okay, 2 amps. Got it? Here internal resistance is 0. The means V is equal IR, I is equal to V by R is means total in the circuit. R means RS in a series. V total 12 and RS is equal to 6. So 2 amps current is drawn. Okay, but what is the potential drop across in each resistance? So the first resistance, potential drop. Okay, so that is called as a V is equal IR. V is equal IR. Okay, V is equal IR. R1 is taken. So I is means 2 amps. 2 into R1 is the first resistance. That is equal to 12 volts. 2 volts. And second resistance potential drop. So that is equal IR2. I is means 2. R2 is equal to 4 volts. Okay. So third resistance potential drop. So IR3, I is the 2, R3 is equal, so 3 ohms. So that is called as a 6 volts potential drop across finger. So this part, so that is called as a, so the potential drop V1 and the potential drop V2 and the potential drop V3. Okay, so V1 is equal to 2 volts, V3 is equal to 4 volts. So V3 is equal to 6 volts potential drop across in a series combination. Okay, got it. Three resistors. Three resistors, 2 ohms, 4 ohms, and 5 ohms combined in a parallel. Combined in parallel. Okay, so what is the total resistance? What is the total resistance? Total resistance of the combination. Of the combination. Of the combination. So if the combination is connected to battery of EMF 20 volts. So negligible internal resistance. Internal resistance. Determine the current through. Determine the current through. Through each resistor and the total current drawn from the battery. So now given that information, 3 resistors, 2 ohms, 4 ohms and 5 ohms combined in a parallel. So what is the total internal resistance? What is the total resistance of the combination? Okay, so that is means you have taken so that is the resistance R1 is equal to 2 ohms, R2 is equal to 4 ohms, R3 is equal to 5 ohms. Okay, so these are connected across the potential difference of the battery. So potential difference of the battery, that is the EMF is equal to 20 volts. Okay, so the 20 volts are connected. Okay, got it. So now negligible internal resistance. Okay, internal resistance So determine the current through each resistor. So that is called I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 is equal. So determine the resistance, each resistor. So the current through each resistor and the total current is drawn from the circuit. Okay. So the given information, so to find out the total resistance in this combination, in parallel combination, total resistance in a parallel combination. So that is so 1 by R P is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, okay, etc. are connected in a parallel combination. So here given that information, so R1 is equal 2 ohms, R2 is equal 4 ohms, R3 is equal 5 ohms. Okay, now substituting in the equation, so 1 by Rp is equal 1 by R1. So 1 by R1 means, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6, 5. That means it's taken 5. Okay, so LCM is taken 2, 4, 5. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 5. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. So 1 by Rp is equal 20. So 10 plus 4. 4 5 is 20 plus 5 4 is 20. So 19 plus 19 by 20. So 19 by 20 ohms. So Rp is equal to 20 by 19 ohms. So are connected in a parallel combination. Okay, got it. So but if the combination is connected a battery of EMF 20 volts. Okay, so determine the current through each resistance. So current through each resistance. Okay, first resistance is taken R1. Okay, R1 is equal 2 ohms. Okay, 2 ohms. According to the formula, so that is Ohm's law, V is equal IR. I1 is equal V by R. Okay, so V is means across connected 20 volts. So the 20 volts by 2 ohms, that is called as a 10 amps. First given I1 is equal. Also similarly find out I2 is equal V by R2. So V20 by 4, so 5 amps. So I3 is equal across of the third resistor. I1 is the current crossing the first resistor through first resistor, and I2 is equal to second resistor, and I3 is equal to third resistor. So V by R3, so V by 20 by 5, so that is equal to say 4 amps. Okay, so first current is the 10 amps, next 5 amps, next 4 amps. The total current, so the total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So that is equal 10 plus 5 plus 4. So that is equal 19 amps. So the total current is drawn is from the circuit 19 amps. Okay, got it. Right. Now today discuss some problems based on current electricity. So next chapter, 7th chapter, so moving. Okay, so that is what is is taken 6th chapter is the current electricity. So moving charges and magnetism. So we discuss the another chapter. Okay, moving charges and magnetism, 7th chapter. Okay, so now first of all we discuss the topic is Biot-Savart law. Okay, Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. First, okay. So first of all, We taken the conductor, small element, that is the dl, okay. So according to Bayat Savatla, so first of all, dl is called as a small element. So small element of a conductor, so passing through the current is I. Small element, that is dl, is taken. Okay, small element, that is the dl, is taken. Okay, of a conductor through a current I is passing. Now, so the point P is taken r distance from the element. So determine the dB. dB is nothing but magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. Ayaskanta prerana. Magnetic induction. So the current passing through the any wire. So the magnetic induction will be developed. Induction means prerana, attractive prerana. Okay na? So మన వైర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళగానే షాక్ వస్తుంది చెప్తున్నాం. That is means attract చేస్తుంది. Okay, magnetic induction, that is called as it. So the current passing through the any conductor or any wire, so the magnetic induction developed around it. So this is called as a wire. Okay, the current passing through the wire is I. Okay, the current passing through the wire. So the magnetic induction will be developed around it. Magnetic induction is developed. So the dB is called as a magnetic induction calculated at a point P taken the distance r due to the small element dl. Due to the small element dl. So స్వల్పమైనటువంటి అంశం, స్వల్ప అంశం. ఓకేనా? సో కొంత దూరం ఎంత తీసుకుంటున్నా, ఇది మొత్తం వైర్ కూడా వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే అందులో కొంత తీసుకుంటున్నాం. దట్ ఇస్ ద dl. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ dl is considered. Okay, so the magnetic induction we shall calculate it, taken the distance r from the small element dl. Okay, small element dl. Okay, so first of all we consider the dl of the conducting wire, the current passing through the wire I, and so the taken the point P or distance from the element. Okay, and so the dB is the magnetic induction. Okay, so magnetic induction calculated at a point P taken the distance r due to the small element, due to the small element. Got it? So first of all we shall calculate the magnetic induction dB. Okay, so from taken the distance r from the small element dl. So the dB is the depending on here some parameters. Magnetic induction. So the magnetic induction is directly proportional to the magnetic induction is directly proportional to through current passing through the wire. So the dB is means magnetic induction is directly proportional current passing through the wire or conductor. That means so the I is increasing, so the magnetic induction is also increasing. I is increasing, I is decreasing, magnetic induction also decreasing. Got it? Also, so the dB is depending on dl also. dl is means this small element. So the length of the element is increasing, so the dB is also increasing. That is means directly proportional we can write. So this is called as a equation 1 and equation 2. Also, the dB is directly proportional the angle between dl and r. So the angle between dl and r, so the angle is taken theta, so that is called as sin theta. So sin theta is directly proportional dB. Magnetic induction is directly proportional, so the angle between dl and r. Okay, so and also dB is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. dB means the magnetic induction inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the element to point. Okay, so distance is increasing, dB is decreasing. Okay, so that is called as a fourth equation. Okay, so from equation 1, 2, 3, 4, so the magnetic induction is depending on the current passing and small element and angle and inversely proportional square of the distance. We can write. So the four equations are adding. So we get the final equation. So dB is directly proportional I dl sine theta by r square. We can write dB is directly proportional I dl sine theta by r square. Okay. So proportional can be negated. Some constant is taken. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. So I dl sine theta by r square. Okay. So mu naught by 4 pi. So the mu naught is means permeability. Mu naught means permeability. Okay. So permeability in a free space. In a free space. So the mu naught by 4 pi value. Okay. So that is equal 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, so 10 to the power of minus 7. So, meter inverse, ampere inverse. Okay, so that is called as a mu naught by 4 pi value. Also, substituting in the, also we can write in a vector form. Okay, so the dB is equal. Okay, so mu naught by 4 pi into I dl. That is the I D L is taken. So the angle between the angle between I r square r into sin theta. So sin theta means cross, or cross is taken. That is called as a I into r into dl, r into dl by r cube we can write. R cube we can write in a vector form. Okay, so first of all, according to Biot-Savart, so the taken the conductor, the current passing through the conductor I. The small element that is called as the dl is taken on a conductor. Okay, that is the length is dl. Okay, so now the point is taken P point, taken the distance r from the element, and so here the magnetic induction due to this small element. Magnetic induction, small element. So the magnetic induction is depending on the four parameters. That is the length, current, length, angle, duram, distance. So the four parameters are adding. We get the dB is directly proportional I dl sin theta by r square. So this is called as a Biot-Savart law. Got it? Biot-Savart law. Very, very important foremost question in IP. Okay, so next one we discuss about the what is the Ampere's law. Okay, what is the Ampere's law? So B dot dl is equal mu naught I. Integral of B dot dl is equal mu naught I. So how to determine the Ampere's law? And so the current passing through the wire. So the develop the magnetic induction we shall calculate it. So etc. topics discuss next day. Okay, thank you students.